So from the tranquility of the bottom of my garden, we come to my sycamore tree. It's getting a bit big for the back garden, but God it is. Look at the size of it. I'm joking. It's my bonsai. And it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks since I've done an update on it. And yeah, the last update wasn't good because we had wires biting into the bark and all sorts. But alas, look at her. What a difference 2 weeks makes. Now, I'll be honest, I think sycamore grows just as quick as weeping willow. I am flabbergasted by how much this has actually grown in 2 weeks. You can actually see the structure of a tree. It's starting to look like a tree, for God's sake. I only plucked this year. Yeah, it was this year. Initially plucked it out the ground this year. But for the last 5 years, probably, me and my workmate Jason, we've just been cutting it back from this, in this bed at this client's garden. And then the lavender died. So I thought, ooh, I can dig that out now. So I dug it out. And this is where we are. This is where we are. And I could not be happier. I've got it in Akadama, lava rock, pumice, and a lot of compost. That is my mix. So it's very, very free draining, ladies and gentlemen. And that's what she's looking like. I'll just put my roll up out. Bad habit, I know. Should have edited it out. Maybe I will. So yeah, we'll have a closer look to see just where those wire marks. See, can you see that? It's nearly healed up already. I tell you. By next year you wouldn't even see that. But there will be more wiring to be done. Basically, it's not the end of the wires for this tree, unfortunately. Just thinking, no, just don't forget. I've never grown a sycamore bonsai before. A lot of people don't grow them because they're tricky. But I think it's fun. I think it looks good. Get that in a small pot. And we're laughing. And I think I am going to get it in a small pot. In winter. I'm not going to do it in winter. It's not advisable. They say to do it in spring, but I think I'm going to do it in winter. I think I did cut the taproot off this as well when I first repotted it. But yeah, they grow well. Still got some mighty big leaves on her. Yeah, that is noticeable. But then again, she is in training. She's in training. But I think she's got a lovely shape starting. And I couldn't be happier, actually. I had a bit of problem with some like black fly, like right under the leaves. Didn't like that. I didn't do anything about it, and then they just disappeared. So that was alright. That was a result. But yeah, that's the branch I did wire initially, and we'll get some structure going to it in the winter when all the leaves are off, and you'll get a better look at that shape, and then that's when you can like prune back certain branches and get rid of certain branches. But for now, we're just going to leave her be, let her do what she wants in this 30 odd degree heat that we are basking in here in England. This is our 3rd heat wave. I know, we're only in July. Yeah, crazy stuff. But my trees are loving it. As long as you don't forget to water them. You got to keep them topped up with water. Even if it doesn't need water, I just water it every day. Every evening when I get home from work, they get, and we're talking about a deep water, ladies and gentlemen, a deep water. But yeah, I suppose I better start wrapping this up because we've all got places to go, meals to eat, and all that. But yeah, so that is my Sycamore Bonsai Hopeful. And if you want to see how it is progressing in the future, then please do not forget, and I mean this, do not forget to like and at least subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Ta-da for now. Kizzy Green Fingers.